So today we are going to reuse old Kinderjoy shells into these beautiful mini crafts. To make this, here we have taken Kinderjoy shells. We are going to fill aluminium foil into it to make it harder. Using glue gun, attach the both and similarly make two of these. Now mix the molded together like this. And firstly we are going to cover its edges. So like this we have covered the edges also, and now we are going to make its head in this shape. Attach the head and the ears together like this and attach it with the glue gun. And then similarly we are going to make its arms. We have also made a carrot. Attach this on the rabbit's hand like this. Let it dry. So we have made two of these together. Now we are firstly going to apply a layer of gesso. It was available on Amazon, so we have recreated this. We have painted the arms and the feet with black and ears with red, face with skin. Make other features like nose, eyes, etc. And this is ready. Aren't this looking very beautiful? So now let's make these very beautiful penguins. Again, we have filled the Kinderjoy shells with aluminium foil. Attach these together like this. And then using molded clay, make its wings and feet. Like this we are going to make its feet. Now take molded clay, make it round and make its head. Make its beak in triangular shape and let it dry. Structure of the penguin is ready. Now firstly we are going to apply a layer of white paint. Then we are going to paint it with black. Now make its eyes and paint its beak and feet with orange color. So we have made two like these, and these are looking so cute, right? Now we are going to make these beautiful birds. Again we have made the Kinderjoy shells filled with aluminium foil. Do not cut this part. We are going to make its head on this part. Attach it using glue gun and make its eyes using tools. Fill the eyes with molded clay. Make its beak. And now we have these wire pins. We are going to make its feet using this. Attach two to make its wings. And structure of the bird is also ready. Let it dry. Apply a layer of gesso and white paint first. Now we are going to give some shading. We're using brown shades. Give some shading with yellow paint, orange color, little bit of black like this. Make some white spots on its wings. And the structure is ready. So the bird is ready now. And it looking so beautiful. So let's go ahead on the last craft. We are going to make these very beautiful flamingos. So to make this, here we have again filled the Kinderjoy shell, and here we have taken a wire, paste the molded clay on the wire to make its head and neck. Apply a layer of gesso. We have made the wings using wall putty dough. Make some details on it. Paint the beak with light pink, body with pink, and other features with black. So hope you enjoyed our today's video. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Take care. Goodbye.